All right, we're at the Union Central System HO model layout. This is a basement layout. We're located in southeastern Michigan. And I'm going to introduce you guys. On the right, you're going to see Paul, the owner, and his buddy Rick, who helps him build the layout. So Paul, tell us a little about this layout.
Well, the layout started in 95, and in 2000 my son was born, so we stopped. And the layout just sat and collected dust for 10 years. And my father's like, well, we need to get back on it or we're going to tear it apart. So we started working back on it. It's HO scale. It's DCC. We run Digitrax. And we run anything from steam to diesel, passenger to freight.
Now, Rick, what is your involvement in layout?
I was a good friend with Paul's dad who started the layout. I worked with him. And so we both had a common interest in trains and model railroads. So he made me part of the team to help build the layout. I've done a lot of the buildings and some of the scenery on it.
Do you guys do any kind of real trains? Ever go for train trips?
Yes. Yeah, I just got back from a trip out west this February, out to the Grand Canyon in LA and San Francisco.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All right, cool. I'm glad to come over. We're going to walk around the layout now and show my viewers what we have here.
Alrighty.
All right.
And over here is he's got his official flag, the Union Central System. And just pan over, give you an idea how large this is.
I gotta back up. I can't. I'm right next to you.
Look closer, guys. You might be able to make out the word Pontiac in the front of this local. This goes by my train room. All right, we left the Union Central System, and now we're over back at Train Room Gary's layout. hanging out with Rick and Paul. What do you guys think of Lionel trains?
It's great.
Awesome.
Lionel is awesome, huh?
Amazing job you've done.
Remember, we have 3 rails, and 3 is always better than 2. All right, guys, thanks for coming over. Hope you enjoyed the quick tour here.
Thank you.
We did. Thank you for sharing.
Please smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to get all the notifications from YouTube. And as always, cheers from Detroit and Mackinac Railway.
This is Train Room Pam.
This is Train Room Gary. Thanks for watching. Please check out these fine videos from my YouTube channel.